Low noise commercial, vacuum cleaner. Easy to store accessories. Stainless steel buckles outlast plastic, stronger, tougher, and built to last. HEPA filter with double filtration for motor protection. Disposable paper bags are more convenient. Cord fixing buckle. No more pulled cords, longer life. Easy installation. One-touch start. Adjustable suction. Vacuuming on hard floors. High suction power, 28 kilopascals. Vacuuming on carpet. Brush made of PP. Ideal for cleaning sofas, beds, curtains, and other soft, dust-attracting surfaces. Crevice tool. Ideal for cleaning all kinds of tight spaces. Remove and discard the dust bag. Wrap and store the cord. Compact body for easy storage.